Okay, so now we will be um, talking about slabs. So if you go to the structure tab where we go floor, we have structural floor, and in the structural floor, you can you need to go to the basement. Are we doing this one? And you can select the floor. So for example, we have generic 300, but I think I will take the duplicate this and do 150 instead. Finish the thickness and 150.5. Okay, okay. Then we have options. So as always, we take the outer boundaries of the walls. So we have option to draw a pick line and we go around the edges, or we can just use as we draw the external walls by selecting the pick line. But when we stand here, we press tab, 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 tab until we select that outer boundary. Yep, there we go. Press on this. Should be selected now. Okay, and B go PG and O. Okay, range. Up, down. It's strange because we already drawn. So if we select this element and if you go filter, can we see slab? Okay, ramp, rail, railing, second basement, but there is no slab. So we didn't draw the slab. So we go floor, select floor structure, and I'll go here 150, and then it's not picking that external status in base 2, 0. It's not picking. So what's the other option? Oh, actually we didn't select the pick line. Yeah, we didn't select the pick line. Let's draw line. And here we go. We press, select this, and we press OK. There we go. We get slab. So what about these openings? So that's for the stairs. We'll cover in a second. So if we select this, if we can't select it, you can here select element by face, and as we see, double click on that one, we get to the edit mode. And if you can't do this, if you just select that thing, you have edit boundary. So edit boundary or double click will give you the same thing. Then we need to show the opening. The opening will be from here to here. That's for the shaft. We get this for this floor from here to here. Then we go back. Do we have any other opening on this? That was just the staircase. And here we go. That's done. And I think that's for the opening and the floor. So we have the opening We have the floor slab. You can copy that floor slab on different floors as you like. Okay, so to continue from now, we have the stairs. And if we go to basement 2, where the stairs is happening or exists, we can see here there's a stair. But as we notice, there's a cut here. So what we're going to do, we can throw it on the different floor. Then we can arrange the starting point and the finish point for that stairs. It's just drawing, but as we see, when we draw something, say for example, you're drawing something on the second floor, but by mistake you draw it on the second floor, but it should be in first floor. So you just change the bottom and top level for that drawing. So if I go here to the base one, as you see, don't have plan here. So what I will do, I will just insert quickly. So link add, and I can search. I'm surprised this basement and origin. Okay, so if I do this, and see this, and that's this. If I select the cat, I'll do some query to filter this, and I don't this delete. I don't need this. Also delete, and maybe give a direction on this date. Just delete. Yeah, I think it should be clear now. So if we look here, we have a full stairs. So if we go to the architecture, as we say, we use the ramp. Now we have the stairs. So when you and we go here, we have three things. We have the boundary, riser, and the path. So for the boundary, we can just go around the boundaries and draw all the lines. So we have 1, 2, 3, or even maybe we'll pick this line. This one, and then we have one here, and from this side. This one. Then we go the riser. We can pick a line. 1, 2. So we go next trim, same as what we did earlier. So if we pick this line, we need to trim everything with that line. So can't keep them in joint. So I'm selecting this, that, sorry, saying I can't keep them in joint. Okay. So what I will do is select trim. So I will do this, okay. And I will do then this. You need to keep this one. So one, sure this is all gone. And elements, fine. And we do this again. This. It should be like that. And then we have some missing elements. So if we take this here and add these things here, for example, we're going to go trim. So this will this and rest. seems like everything is fine, and then we have this with this, yeah. We still having the same issue. Okay, I'll see it here maybe. Oh, I see. I think this line, we didn't trim the line here as well. So this one should be with this one. Okay. Invalid sketch cannot create run by the sketch. And this one cannot finish sketch path need to be passed through. Okay, so for the layout, we did the boundaries. That's correct, and we did this. But as we said, we are the stairs. So we have the boundaries, which is the edges from outside and inside, the green lines. Then we have the riser. Then it has to be closed area. Otherwise, you get errors. Same as the ramp tutorial. If you want to go back and see that one. So the stairs is going that direction. So we have to start from here, going this way, then here, then up again, here, then yeah. So now we specify the path. So when I click should be, we don't have any error. And as you see, we get the stairs. So if we go to the 3D, you can see, as we say, we draw this on basement up to ground floor. So what we're going to do now, we select this. After we, if you want to add railing as well, we can add railing, which is the side to so no one can fall. But that's all. So what I will do now, I'll finish this stairs. So that's done with the railing. I don't think I need the railing, so it is stairs. So I edit it, the stairs. I'm going to remove the railing. So for the railing, if we select this, select on, press on the railing, so edit path. Any railing here? No. Or modify railing. 1 second. So I press on this, then edit path, and search. Go to do this. Reset railing. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think you have to go back before finishing the drawing for the railing, or maybe the option here, railing, this one. So if I do railing here, it's already drawn. So it's something we edit now. So anyway, so what I'll do, I'll just go back one more step, one more. Yeah, and at this point we didn't, when I select this, the railing is not there. So I'll press OK. Okay, I'll go back again. One more. but the railing is not there. So for the railing, I think you need to press railing. Then after that, you need to make it the default is not none. Then just select none. Yep. And if I press OK, I don't think I pressed. Let's go back again. So when I press on this, I need to select none. Okay. Done. Now it shouldn't be raining. Okay. Then when I select now, is all drawn. Yes. When I select this one, if you see here, we have says the base level is 1, but I want this to be 2, and the top level need to be 1. So from 2 go to 1. Apply. Up, move down. And that's all for the stairs.